Hi, I'm Electra, Chief Legal Officer at Law Insider. Today I'll be showing you how to use oneNDA. There are two ways in which to use the document. The first is to enter into the full agreement that includes both the variables at the top and the boilerplate language at the bottom. The second is to simply populate the cover page, which incorporates oneNDA's terms by reference. In both instances, the variable terms are the same. Very simply, there are only two sections for you to complete: the parties and execution, and variables. In the parties and execution section, add the parties' details. This is usually the company's registered name, number, and address. If you want to contract with an individual, just complete their name and address. After this, you have the variable section. Fill in the purpose, confidentiality period, and governing law. Remember that the confidentiality period is the period of time for which the disclosed information must remain confidential from the date the information was shared. It is not the term of the agreement. Here you have the option of choosing either litigation or arbitration in the dispute resolution method. To make it as simple as possible, we've added some guiding words for you to use based on your chosen method. As of October 2024, there's also a new field which we introduced into the variables section to enable you to further modify oneNDA to suit your specific needs or industry requirements. This is the special provisions field. In this field, you may add additional language to enhance oneNDA or vary boilerplate language such as definitions that may not quite be suitable for you as drafted. If you want a more rigid version of oneNDA that does not include any special provisions, you may still use version 2. This version prohibits any changes to the baseline text and only allows inclusion of language in the parties and execution as well as variable sections. We ask that when making additions or variations to the agreement that you adhere to our core principles to ensure we're retaining the balance and fairness that sits at the heart of the oneNDA initiative. Remember, the more variations you include, the likelier it is that you'll enter into lengthier negotiations, so we encourage you to keep variations to a minimum. And that's oneNDA.